Jinan GoodCut CNC Machinery Company Limited. Manufacturer: CNC router, fiber laser cutting machine, welding machine, cleaning machine, marking machine, CO2 laser machine, plasma cutting machine, wood lathe machine, 3D scanner. We have dozens of research and development patent and certificate. Machine's quality is best. We are looking for agents from all over the world. Please contact us. We also welcome terminal customers. The meaning of GoodCut brand: good quality, good price, good service. Good quality. First, 50 engineers with more than 10 years rich working experience manufacture high-precision machines. Second, 3 days, 72 hours testing machine inspection. After confirming that the machine has no any quality problem, then it will be shipped. Third, 6 QC staff do strict evaluations on incoming inspections, in-process inspections, final machines inspections. Good price. First, manufactures about 500 sets of machines per month with a large sales volume. We have long-term cooperation with parts suppliers, can get advantageous prices of parts so that the price of the machine is very competitive. Second, GoodCut aims to develop long-term cooperation with each new and regular customers and to give the customers the best prices with the most sincere attitude. Good service. First, all machines with warranty, free parts to replace, repair, maintaining. Second, English manual and video for the machine using and maintaining, explaining the operation steps in detail. Third, professional after-sales service staff, providing 45 hours online service, provide free technical training and factory field operation teaching to eliminate customer worries. We can also send our engineer to customer's factory for on-site teaching.